Welcome to our review of the V11PRO drone. This drone features an 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal for stunning images and videos, with 4K/30 frames per second video capability and a 1/2 CMOS sensor. Capture breathtaking footage with incredible detail. Enjoy extended flight times of up to 80 minutes with 2 batteries, each providing 40 minutes of airtime. The batteries support fast PD 3.0 charging, reducing your waiting time and getting you back to flying sooner. The V11PRO drone features a 6 km FPV digital transmission system, ensuring a stable and secure connection between the drone and your controller. With a digital 5x zoom capability, get a closer look at your subject without losing image quality. The 3-axis gimbal camera with EIS anti-shake system ensures crystal clear footage, even in windy or turbulent conditions. The Sony camera, featuring a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, elevates your shooting experience, taking your skills to new heights. Our app enhances your flight experience with features like cruise control, waypoint flight, and point of interest. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, take stunning videos and explore your surroundings in greater detail. The V11PRO drone is equipped with advanced technology, including a TOF sensor, vision system, and navigation lights, ensuring stable hovering, landing, and easy view tracking. The auto return feature automatically brings the drone back to you in case of low battery or loss of connection. Get your V11PRO drone today and experience the thrill of aerial photography. With its advanced features, stable flight, and stunning image quality, this drone is perfect for capturing life's most thrilling moments. With its advanced features and stable flight, the V11PRO drone is perfect for a variety of applications, including filmmaking, photography, and surveying. Order now and start capturing stunning aerial footage with the V11PRO drone. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, this drone is sure to exceed your expectations.